Zombie apocalypse conspiracy theories. Fifth, government ammunition purchases. Conspiracy theorists, of course, make the next giant leap, claiming that emails were leaked to the SSA from another department of the government concerning an imminent danger of civil unrest. This will be precipitated by the collapse of the nation's infrastructure due to a compromise in the security of a military research program on infectious diseases classified above top secret. It is understood that many departments of the government are making such preparations and that the SSA is the only one that has been caught doing so. Fourth, transmissible spongiform encephalopathy. The most well-known type of this viral disease is nicknamed mad cow disease. This is where conspiracy theorists shout, military value. Their claim is that the military has long been hard at work researching methods by which to infect enemy soldiers with any of a number of these encephalopathies. They all operate in the same way, deteriorating the tissue of the brain by eating tiny holes through it. The brain eventually looks like Swiss cheese, and the person's mental state consequently degenerates into dementia and quite frequently aggressive violence. If the infection eats through the centers of the brain that control ethics, the person no longer acts like himself, but like a monster. The last part of the brain to be invaded is invariably the cerebellum, thus maintaining life for as long as possible. Third, stem cell research. In a nutshell, stem cells can divide into any specialized cells and can automatically propagate more cells. But conspiracy theorists are quick to argue that thanks to stem cells, the leap to the undead is just a baby step, given the medical establishment's official boast of immortality by the 2030s. Theorists claim that stem cells are the final step in realizing the horror fantasy of Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. In her novel, the only two details missing from the operation to resurrect a dead body are how to reconnect nerve tissue and how to counteract brain death. A defibrillator can only revive a person if the brain cells are still alive. To this end, the government is actively researching the value of stem cells in reanimating dead brains. Second, Haitian zombie powder. Here is a true story of a zombie, Clavius Narcisse. He was born in Haiti in 1922. Details of his death or current whereabouts are not widely known, but on the 2nd of May 1962, he was found unresponsive in his home and presumed dead, buried, but exhumed by unknown parties as punishment for breaking a Haitian code of honor. Conspiracy theorists take this a step further, claiming that the government thought that these toxins in combination with Jimson weed would be a great idea for a weapon, went on to fully develop such a weapon, and stockpiled huge reserves of it for the purpose of biological warfare. First, the Miami face-eating attack. On the 26th of May 2012, Rudy Eugene, a 31-year-old high school graduate with entrepreneurial ambitions, attacked Ronald Edward Popo, a 65-year-old homeless man, at random on an on-ramp of MacArthur Causeway, under an elevated train. Conspiracy theorists argue that the government immediately covered it up, because the government has created a drug or virus which will cause violent, cannibalistic behavior in anyone, no matter how responsible and self-controlled. This is the singular event that has, for most conspiracy theorists, cinched the zombie apocalypse as entirely real and very near. Thanks for watching.